Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. In this video we are going to take a closer look at the new Center Stage Slimline die set. This is a part of the new The Greatest Friend on Earth release from Trinity Stamps. This die set is so much fun because it creates a full stage across a slimline card, and there is an audience included. So here you can see I cut out all of the all the dies, and there is some really tiny parts that I will just snip apart, and they come inside of all the faces as I showed you previously. So here they are all cut out, just ready to go and to be assembled. And there will be a really good illustrated picture of how all of these are meant to layer together, and I will create a couple of them together with you here on screen. But I just wanted to mention that, so if you want a closer look at how you can arrange all of that, there will be a really good image of all of that later on. So now I will show you some more fun things. This is the chairs that the audience will sit in, and I just cut them out. Here is the bottom of our stage, and there is also a decorative piece here that I just cut out of a gold strip of mirror cardstock. And I also used a really fun for the curtains here, the top of the curtains as well as the curtains here. I used a really fun satin paper from Tonic Studios, and here is the embossed details that you can see for the floor of our stage. And I just use some neutral paper here. So here is that image I was talking about previously, and this will be found as well on Trinity Stamps website when you look at this product. And you will also see here all of our images here, how I will just cut or arrange all of this. And you can also hit the pause button if you want to see that image once more. But I didn't find it too, it was quite a lot of pieces, but I think they came together really nicely. You could actually just pair them up however you would like. I did some of them according to the packaging or the picture, but I did some on my own as well, and they turned out really cute as well. So if you want to do some more details on these images, the audience, you could also go in with a Copic marker or something like that, just to bring a little bit more life to the hair and everything. So in this set, the curtains has a really nice embossed effect, and that brings so much life, especially when you use a paper like this. And that is a recommendation, I think, to use some type of mirror cardstock or something like that. It really looks nice in the finishing card or projects. So here it is. I decided to go with a black background for my scene. This would also be really fun to pair with the new stencil from Trinity Stamps called Curtain Call, and that is also a large 6x9 stencil that would fit nicely in the background here. So here you can see how I'm laying everything together. I decided to go with a black strip for the lower part as well. I didn't like the white, but that was super easy just right here. So I just wanted to quickly show you how easy this was to put together when you had everything cut out. So you can see my audience there and all the curtains and the floor of my stage, and how that looks across a slimline panel. And here you can really play around with the size of your slimline. You can make this into a small slimline or an even bigger one if you would like. So the possibilities here are really nice. And I decided to create a fun interactive card here. I will have a tutorial later on with this in a standard A2 size format as well. So that works really nice as well. So I just wanted to share that with you. And now I will leave you with some close-up pictures from the design team. And if you want even more inspiration on this die set, please head on over to Trinity Stamps blog, Instagram account and Facebook group. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!